Welcome back, everybody. It's MeiaSoQuick, and in today's video I have like a little mini project, really easy project for you guys to follow along with me. Or at least I hope it's gonna be easy. I don't know, I haven't done it yet. But anyway, so I got this black laptop, okay? It's a Dell. The details of it I'll leave in the description box if you're interested, okay? But it's black. Once upon a time, I had a very dark and moody black room, okay? My carpet was black, my walls were black, my bed was black, everything was black. It was cool, it was nice, it matched my mood, okay? But now, if you've seen my new office, you see that black just does not go with the whole aesthetic, right? If you didn't see it, what are you waiting on? You can go ahead and click the video right up here and go watch it and see what my office looks nice, because I worked so hard on it. It looks so cute. All right, but anyway, this black computer is not matching. My whole aesthetic now is like white, and it's, you know, wood. And well, here's my little project. I have this, okay? I know what you're probably thinking. You're like, what is that? Is that wrapping paper? Yes and no, okay? Have you ever seen a car wrap, right? If you're not sure what I'm saying, like, look at the screen. Those are car wraps, right? Meaning there was a paint job under it, and you know, the owner wanted to change it up. So instead of getting the car painted, they actually got it wrapped in vinyl. Yeah, like you wrap it in vinyl, literally like a big sticker, like a big contact piece of paper, and you apply some heat to it and it stays on, and it protects the real paint underneath it, and you can always remove it. So hence, this is some white vinyl. They use it actually for cars and a whole bunch of other things. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this on this, and my plan is to cover like everything, right? So I have the exterior, which, yeah, that's got to change. But what I'm really hoping that I can figure out is doing the inside, okay? So like everything except the keyboard, because the keyboard, that I can't wrap that. So seeing if I could do everything, skip the trackpad, and get everything else. So let's see how this works out, okay? Stay tuned and y'all can follow along with me. All right. So now before we get started, there's a couple things that we need. So clearly you need the vinyl, the film, and this is some, as you can see, it says Vivid's Premier Automotive Film. All right. You're going to need a smoother. You're going to need kind of like a utility knife, because you're going to be cutting away at stuff. You're going to need some alcohol to clean the surface, and I also have like some lint-free wipes, just so like the lint doesn't get right back on the computer. And you're going to need a heat gun. If you don't have a heat gun, you should be able to do this with the blow dryer. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the very first thing we're going to do is clean. Thankfully, the instructions actually come with the film, so it's really easy to follow. So it tells you right there, get some isopropyl alcohol and go ahead and clean the surface. So that's what I am going to do. All right, you can see all my greasy fingerprints. Ugh, gosh. All right, so I'm not going to spray it directly on the computer, because that seems like I wouldn't be able to manage it. So I'm just going to spray it onto the pad. Onto the pad. I have a sprayer. All right, so now that I got that all wet, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe it down. All right, I think it's just isopropyl alcohol, because, you know, it, what is that? It evaporates like super quick. All right, next is step 2. It says measure the size of the area to be wrapped, and then I just want to cut it and leave a little bit of extra. It says about 2 inches on all sides. Okay, so we can do that. So I'm just going to take the vinyl, and I'm going to measure it out. Oh, probably would help if I actually got some scissors. Hold up. All right, so here's my easy way of measuring it out. It's already wide enough when you look at it, so, and it hangs over on the side. So I'm just really gonna lay this on top so it doesn't keep coming back. And then I'm just gonna cut along the edge and leaving a little gap. Cool. Alright, that's all measured out. What's my next step? It says peel and stick. Peel the paper backing from the vinyl. expose the adhesive, blah, 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 blah. And this is where I'm also going to smooth it out. It doesn't really necessarily say that. So, okay. So, one side at a time, I'm going to pretty much just lay it down. And as I do it, I'm going to pull the paper from underneath to unravel it. So then I'm just going to take it back and forth, and here's where my smoother is going to come in. I feel like I like this little velvet smoother a little better. Okay, so I got it pretty much smoothed on there now. Next step says apply heat. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. And as I'm heating it, it's much easier just to stick to the edges. Okay, it is a computer, so I don't want to get it too overheated. Alright, so now that I got the top, my next thing is just to go around and trim where there's excess. Alright, so it looks good now. That is the back. That is the top. The front. So then what I'm going to do is try to do this top part, which is going to be wild. So let's see how this works. All right, so far I got it all around all the edges. It's looking pretty good, pretty clean. All right, it's sharp. So now I just gotta cut out the top section, which should be interesting. Let's see if I can do it. Huh. What do you know? It looks good. It looks good. All right, and I'm all done. There. All right, and that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was a really easy project. So if you got something like a laptop, MacBook, a cell phone, you know, something like that you want to change the color of, this is the easy way, you know. Easiest way to remove it is just apply some heat and then the adhesive will come back up. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. All right, bye.